inadequate access to the health care by Adivasi community, high suicide rate among the death-ridden farmers in Maharashtra. Yes, all these issues were taken up by the NHRC. अच्छा, एक बहुत important है वो जो the Gujarat riots के केस में, yes, NHRC had suo motu taken cognizance of human rights violation, and they had filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court to ensure that guilty persons are brought to the book. ठीक है, फिर had made several recommendations for rehabilitation of the victims also. Fine, so these are some of the achievements I have mentioned. The important one is ये जो चकमा एंड होजोंग, ये काफ़ी है ना एक्टिवली रेफर किया जाता है. पंजाब मास क्रिमेशन केस भी काफ़ी, जो अलग अलग रिपोर्ट्स पढ़ोगे सब में मेंशन्ड रहता है. Yes, then you talk about maybe death-ridden farmers, you talk about Devadasis, healthcare opportunities being insufficient for Adivasi community in South Odisha, which was also highlighted. अभी भी mental asylums, mental hospitals में inhuman conditions across India, across states in India has been highlighted in 2023 by NHRC. Rao, ठीक है, रघुनाथ राव कमेटी. फाइन, फिर असेसमेंट ऑफ द वर्किंग ऑफ NHRC. तो क्रिटिकल असेसमेंट कर लेते हैं. तो क्या है, द रिकमेंडेशंस मेड बाय NHRC आर नॉन बाइंडिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट क्रिटिसिज्म. NHRC के रिकमेंडेशंस नाउ अक्रॉस कमीशन ठीक है बाइंडिंग नहीं दिया, बट NHRC के केस में इट इज सेड दैट दे शुड हैव बीन गिवन सम पावर. Otherwise, they have become what is known as toothless tiger or paper tigers. H.L. Dattu, who was an ex CGI, and he was the chairman of NHRC. Former chairman of NHRC, in fact, refers to NHRC as being a toothless tiger.